Tell me something crazy.
Veo 3.1 is live on Imagine Art.
Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. As you can see on my top mail, said RIP Sora 2. Is that true? Yes. The thing is that Google Veo 3.1 is the game changer right now because what it can generate is beyond what you can ever imagine. Just this thumbnail is being generated by this, as I'm telling you, right? So, and also we're going to do some comparison with other videos which you are going to watch and also see what we actually generate with Google 3.1. Okay, Google Veo 3.1 is like something that we are not expecting, or let me say, Google Veo 3.1 have also increased the video duration to 1 minute. Like you can generate up to 1 minute video. Like that is like very, very mind blowing. And now, what do we have to gain with generating 1 minute video? That actually we can actually be able to generate 10-minute video is like 10-minute video is by generating 10 times, which is about 200 credits. Okay, like if you want to use the quality, that is about 500 credits or 1000 credits. So, and that is actually the reason why I say this is a game changer. And do you know one thing that I always love about Google is this? They always let you explore whatever they bring out new without invitation code. Like Sora 2, you must have invitation code before you explore their tools. But Google, no. Now, this particular 3.1, Google have given us access at least 100 credits for us to be able to exploit. And also, if you're using a Gemini, you can also explore without TV credits. You can also explore this, right? So now we're going to use the flow to test, and also we're going to use the Sora 2 to test. So now let's go and see how it's going to be. Here is the Google flow. Okay, this is lab.google/flow/TV. Okay, so just that. So the link will be in the video description. Just click on it. So let's explore. So before we move forward right now, I want you to watch what we are able to generate in this. Okay, watch the video. Also, you can use the timestamp to jump into and just keep that particular aspect. So
it starts with one step. No lights, no crowds, just work, just movement. Because greatness is earned, never given.
all right, guys, thank you for watching that particular video, what we are able to generate with Veo 3.1, as you can see it here. So this whole script here is it. So when you come, you're going to land in a screen like this. So just go ahead and then log in with your Google account. So when you log into your Google account, you're going to land on interface, and on interface, then just click get started. you're going to land here. If you click on the profile section here, you're going to see like 100 credits. That's what we have. And so you can also upgrade. You can upgrade, right? And now for Sora 2, a lot of you say, how can we achieve that? If you come to the AI studio, like openai.com, just click on the Sora here, and it's going to bring you to this interface. On this interface, the normal Sora, but now we want the latest one, right? So you click on this join new button here. When you click on this join new button, it's going to take you and ask you to use your invitation code. Okay, so it's going to ask for invitation code. As you can see here, it's asking me for invitation code, or I can stay on the old Sora. So since I don't have invitation code, what will I do? I'll just need to do what? Stay on the old one, right? But that is not it, because I have a way for you that you can actually create video unlimited without even invitation code, right? So for now, let's just save this, close it, because we don't have invitation code, right? Then close this. So now that I've got rid of that Sora 2, oh no. So here I have this place for you, guys. They will be in the video. They will be in the link. It will be in the video description, guys. I'm sorry for the mistake. So this is where you can also generate, like, this is video I have generated. Okay, you can see it's very realistic. Yes, Sora 2 have done a good job, right? So very realistic with plate number, like massive. If I scroll, you are going to see this. This is being generated with Sora 2, right? If I come here, you're going to see. So look at this. I see. So without this is what Sora 2 can do for you. Go up to 10 minutes, 15, 12 seconds, 12 seconds to 10 seconds, right? But now, when you get to this particular platform here, so just come and go scroll like this. Just click on this session, then make sure you select the Sora 2 free. Okay, so please don't select the one you're going to pay for. If you select the one you're going to pay for, it's still your concern, right? So just select the free one. Okay, select this one, you're going to see it's 0. So just select that. So now, if you want to use this Veo 3.1, you can see it here is 20 credits. So if you want to use it here, if you want to use the Pro, it's 80 credits instead of 100 from this particular platform. And if you want to use the Fast Pro, it's 100 credits. So these are different models so that you can actually explore. Okay, this is the Veo 3 and all that. So other AI model is here, so you can just go ahead and explore with these particular tools. But now, what you need to do right now is to explore our Veo 3, right? Veo 3.1. So this, now we want to copy this prompt. Okay, we can decide to copy the prompt here. Okay, this is the prompt, or let's look another one here. This is the prompt as well. You can decide to copy this prompt. If you also go, if you come to this watch here, so when you click on the watch, you can also see other prompts that you want to copy and modify it. But for the tutorial sake, let's just go ahead and then copy one particular prompt and test it on Sora 2, and also test it on this test it on Veo 3.1, right? So these are prompts, but I would prefer testing these prompts. So I'm going to copy these prompts. This is the prompt. I'm going to copy it. If you click hide data, it's going to hide that prompt. So now the prompt is visible. If you come here, you can go and see it here. If you click hide, it's going to hide. If you want this, okay, let's go with this, right? Let's go with this. And copy it. Just make sure you highlight it. Complete. So now I've highlighted the prompt. So now let's look at what this prompt will do. Let's see. You can see they are playing the music, right? Now let's go to Veo 3, like Sora 2. So we want to paste a particular prompt here. And then when we paste it, remember our model is the free one. So we want to say landscape, which is 60.9. Then we hit generate. The duration, I see, the highest we can go is 8 seconds. That's the highest. So now we are generating. So let's take that same particular prompt and then go to Veo 3.1. On Veo 3.1 here, if I'm to generate, if I come here, you can see here it's going to cost me 20 credits, right? So I'm going to paste it and then hit. So let's wait and see what we are going to get at the end. Right now I'm going to pause this video and then come back when both of them are generated. All right, Veo 3.1 is about 79%, showing that it's more faster. So we're also still waiting for the Sora 2. Let's check and see which level we are. We are still on 0 and still keep on loading, right? So let's just exercise patience. So right now I'm going to pause the video and then come back when it's ready. Okay, I think the Veo 3 is almost about to be ready, right? Yeah, about 99%. But as I said, I'll be back when it is ready, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. Well, our Veo 3 is still on 99%. So let's check our Sora 2 right now. See, so our Sora 2 has successfully been generated, and I think the job is amazing. So let's play it and see what we have. So our duration was to go for 10 seconds, so which end up with 15 seconds, right? So you can see here 15 seconds. So guys, you can see the leaf, everything is like perfect. Just look at it. And this watermark here, my previous video, I show how to remove the watermark. If you have not watched it, then watch how to remove the watermark, you guys. So you can use it without watermark, right? So now let's see, since we now see what Sora 2 have for us, we're also going to compare it end to end to see what we actually have. So now I'll be moving to check if our Veo, wow, still taking time, guys. So I have to pause the video again and then come back. All right, guys, I'm back, and after waiting for some times, now I see that the Veo 3.1 is not actually available currently when I'm doing this video. So I've tried it several times, I think like 3 times now, but keep on failing. So you can see here, my credit is still intact. So it keep on failing. So what one thing I know is you can't compare both together. If you look at what, let's say this is what the existing one have generated, right? So if you look at the clarity, the realistic. So let's look at what we got here. Look at the positioning of this. So just look at this. Then when you call this, you look at the realistic. Look at the realistic of this. So what I'm trying to let you guys know is this. There's Then you can go ahead and test this by yourself and then check it out and tell me in the comment section which one do you think is better. Now, I have used this opportunity to give you a place where you can generate Sora 2 video for 100% free. And in my next video, I'll be talking about it completely. So give you guys another platform that you can also be using, because I have sourced out another platform. So the reason is this: if you want to generate a long video, you can combine all these platforms together and use. And a lot of you are saying, how can I get a good prompt? I'll be showing you guys a website where you can use to generate a good prompt in my upcoming video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it to subscribe so you can be able to receive an update whenever I drop new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.